It's easy and it's simple. Remember to subscribe so that next time when I upload a new video, you will get the notification. The way we are going to use it's where we use Wixi site. Yeah, this one. Yeah, come here and Wixi. Write Wixi. Then come here on login. As you see here, they tell you to sign up. If you don't have account, you write your email password. But if you have account, this means that you can directly continue. Yeah, me because I have an account, I will log in. Yeah, this is where I write my email that I used. Email that I used is 0. Then continue with email. No. Then I can add my password. The password that you used to when you were creating the account. This one. After writing the password, you click here on login. Tell you to confirm that if you are not allowed, then you confirm it, then click on login again. Tell you that the password that was not correct, and that was what in the password. No, I haven't verified. Then again. Yeah. As you see me already have created some websites, but let's create a new site. Yeah. When you're going to create a new site, come here on create new site. Then they give you another tab. They tell you what kind of website are you creating. You choose, you can search your business website type, but me, for example, I want to choose the video, for example, where I will put my videos. It's a video site, and click on next. Then what would you like to call your website here? Enter your website name, for example, it's play videos and in play and in. Choose your name. And what what do you want to what do you want you to add in Facebook or on your website. Choose what you want. Here they are asking you questions, and after you can choose what you want on your website. Yeah, for example, this one and this one. Yeah, then start setting up your website. You can also start with designing your website, customize designer. Here, as you see, they are telling you here, they are telling you them here. Or get customer, let Wix create a site for you in minutes. Yeah, but it's good to go directly on your dashboard. Here they're telling you that they're preparing your dashboard. Yeah, so you have to wait. Here, wait. And this was part one. Subscribe so that we get the part two.